viewers, என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க. இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 7 டேர்ம் 3 எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் யூனிட் 1 tax and its importance lesson book exercise question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, taxes or dash payment. Option A, voluntary. Option B, compulsory. Option C, A and B. Option D, none of the above. Here the correct answer is option B, compulsory. Second one, minimum possible amount should be spent in the collection of taxes is option A, canon of equity. Option B, canon of certainty. Option C, canon of economy. Option D, canon of convenience. So here the correct answer is option C, canon of economy. Third one, this taxation is a very opposite of progressive taxation. Option A, degressive. Option B, proportional. Option C, regressive. Option D, none. So here the correct answer is option C, regressive. Fourth one, income tax is set dash. Option A, direct tax. Option B, indirect tax. Option C, A and B. Option D, degressive tax. So here the correct answer is option A, direct tax. Fifth one, which tax is raised on provision of service? Option A, wealth. Option B, corporate. Option C, wealth. Option D, service. Here the correct answer is option D, service. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is a term for when a taxing authority, usually a government, levies or imposes a tax. The answer is taxation. Second one, dash is the method where the rate of tax is same regardless size of the income. Here the answer is proportional tax. Third one, dash is paid to the government by the recipient of gift depending on value of gift. Here the answer is gift tax. Fourth one, dash tax burden cannot be shifted by taxpayers. Here the answer is direct. Fifth one, indirect tax is dash elastic. The answer is more. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, principle of taxation, Adam Smith. Second one, estate tax, direct tax. Third one, excise tax, indirect tax. Fourth one, 1st July 2017, goods and service tax. Fifth one, direct tax, less elastic. Fourth Roman letter, odd one out. Question number 1. Which of the following is not an indirect tax? Option A, service tax. Option B, value added tax. Option C, estate duty. Option D, excise duty. So here the odd one is option C, estate duty. So estate duty is not a indirect tax. Fifth Roman letter, correct one out. First one, which one of the following tax is a direct tax? Option A, service tax. Option B, wealth tax. Option C, sales tax. Option D, progressive tax. So here the correct one is option B, wealth tax. So wealth tax is a direct tax. Sixth Roman letter, give short answer. Question number 1. Define tax. Tax are defined as a compulsory contribution from a person to the government to defray the expenses incurred in the common interest of all without reference to special benefits conferred. Question number 2. Why taxes are imposed? Everybody is obliged by law to pay taxes. Total tax money goes to government exchequer. Appointed government decides that how are taxes being spent and how the budget is organized. Question number 3. Write name of taxation types and draw its diagram. Taxation types. There are 4 types of taxation. Number 1. Proportional tax. Number 2. Progressive tax. Number 3. Regressive tax. And number 4. Digressive tax. Question number 4. Write any 3 importance of tax. Health, education, governance. Question number 5. What are the types of tax and explain its? In modern times, tax are classified into 2 types. They are number 1. Direct tax. A direct tax is the tax whose burden is directly borne by the people on whom it is imposed. It cannot be shifted to others. Second one, indirect tax. When liability to pay a tax is on one person and the burden of that tax shifts on some other person, this type of tax is called an indirect tax. Question number 6. Write a short note on gift tax and service tax. Gift tax. It is paid to the government by the recipient of gift depending on value of gift. Service tax. It is raised on provision of service. This tax is collected from the service recipients and paid to the central government. Question number 7. What is goods and service tax? Goods and service tax is a kind of tax imposed on sale, manufacturing and usage of goods and services. This tax is applied on services and goods at a national level with the purpose of achieving overall economic growth. Question number 8. Distinction between the direct and indirect tax. So you should write the difference between direct tax and indirect tax. 7th Roman letter, give brief answer. Question number 1. Write briefly about the principles of taxation. So we should write about canon of equality, canon of certainty, canon of convenience and canon of economy. Question number 2. Explain the taxation types. So we should explain 4 types of taxation, that is proportional tax, progressive tax, regressive tax and digressive tax. Question number 3. Explain the importance of tax. So we should explain about health, education, governance and other important sectors or infrastructure development, transport, housing, etc. Question number 4. Explain the direct and indirect tax with examples. Question number 5. Why need for tax on people welfare and explain it. Let us see some additional questions for competitive exams. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one. Dash is a method by which the rate of tax will also increase with the increase of income. The answer is progressive taxation. Second one. Wealth tax is an example of dash. Direct tax. Third one. Dash is charged from successor of inherited property. The answer is estate duty. Fourth one. Dash is paid by the producer of goods who recovers it from the wholesalers and retailers. The answer is excise duty. Fifth one. Swachh Bharat cess was started from. The answer is 15th November 2015. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one. Dash principles or canons of taxation still form the basis of tax structure of a modern state. The answer is Adam Smith. Second one. Dash could be one of the most deserving recipients of tax money. The answer is education. Third one. Dash is a crucial component in the smooth running of country affairs. The answer is governance. Fourth one, taxes generally contribute to the dash of a country. The answer is gross domestic product. Fifth one, dash constituted under the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963. The answer is Central Board of Direct Taxes. Sixth one, dash is particularly designed to replace the indirect taxes imposed on goods and services by the central and state. The answer is GST. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, proportional taxation, size of the income. Second one, entertainment, movie tickets. Third one, GST, transparent tax. Fourth one, toll tax, roads and bridges. Fifth one, corporation tax, royalties. So the correct answer is D, E, A, B, C.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.